details about load curve, and it will be our part 5. And if you have not seen the previous videos, you can visit my playlist, or I will give link of previous videos in my description link. So let's start. The curve showing variation of load on the power station with respect to time is known as load curve. Okay, the curve which shows the variation of load with respect to time is known as load curve. This is our load curve, and in x-axis there is load in megawatt, in y-axis there is a time may be in hours, day, month or years, etc. Okay, why we need this curve? We need this curve to study the variation of load daily on power station. Okay, what are the variation occurring on plant? This curve shows that point factor. Okay, like daily load curve shows the variation of load with respect to time during the day. Okay, daily load curve show the variation of load. What are the variation in day? Here shows the daily load curve on power station, and the load is being maximum at 6 p.m. Okay, from here we can see the load is maximum at 6 p.m. This is our 12 midnight, 12 noon, and 12 again midnight, and at 6 p.m. there is maximum demand. We can see up to 6 megawatt, but there is minimum least demand at 12 midnight, again at 12, but we can see higher demand between 6 to 8 a.m. and maximum demand at 6 p.m. Okay, likewise monthly load curve can be obtained from daily load curve of that month. Okay, this is our daily load curve, because we have drawn load versus hours. If we draw load versus day, then it will be monthly load curve, and if we draw load versus year, then it will be yearly load curve. And these are things that we need from load curve. Similarly, the yearly load curve can be obtained from monthly load curve of that particular area. I explained it. Okay, now let's talk about what are the importance of the load curve. Okay, daily load curve shows the variation of load on the power station during different hours of the day. Okay, this shows variation of the demand or load in daily basis. Now the next important point, the area under daily load curve gives the number of units generated. Okay, this area under this curve shows the unit generated. This is main important of the, and unit generator is given by per day is area in, that is kilowatt hour under daily load curve, area under the daily load curve. Okay, then they come to the third point. The highest point on the daily load curve represents the maximum demand. Okay, we have seen the highest point that was 6 megawatt. You can also see the graph on the screen. That was 6 megawatt, and that will be maximum demand on the station. The last one, the area under the daily load curve divided by the total number of hours gives the average load on the station. Okay, we can also find out the average load on the station through the by the help of load curves. Area under the daily load curves, by if we divide 24 hours, then we can find out the average load per day. We can also find out average load per day. If we divide with 24 hours, then it will be average load per day. If we divide 30 into 24 hours, then it will average load per month. And if we divide the total hours in a year, then it will be average load per year. And this topic and these points were discussed in previous video, like part 1 and part 2, or you can watch in my playlist. Okay, thank you.